Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So yeah, the idea yesterday was that what we did here was just a wave 4, a pretty healthy wave 4 yesterday, but no change to the count. So the idea is still to head down lower. First indication that something is going on here that is not in line with the wave count would be if we break above the wave 1 low, which is here at 2161. Yeah, why would that be? Because a wave 4 should not break into this price region. So at the moment, assumption would be that we are here either still in the wave 4 or probably already completed that, and that we're heading further down. But that would be the first signal that something else is going on. But the entire count, the entire chart and wave count is valid as long as we stay below that wave 2 high, which was printed here a few days ago. And I think we talked about a key level, an invalidation point that might have moved a little bit. 1 second. So as long as roughly 2283 stays intact, this wave count remains valid. And the idea overall is, and that hasn't changed, that this here is a WXY correction in a wave 2 that should eventually lead to a third wave rally. But first of all, Solana needs to complete this correction. We have support between $17.78 and $20. And oops, just moved that. Oops, didn't want to take that out completely. And at the moment it's going according to plan. However, you can see how relevant the $20 level is. The $20 level generated a significant response here and here. I think it was yesterday only when I talked to you and said, normally, because we had a reaction here on Monday already, quite a bit of a wick, yeah, bullish reaction, or not necessarily bullish reaction, but a positive reaction at least. And I said to you that these wicks often get filled. Well, guess what? We had another wick, but probably that might also get filled, yeah. So there's a lot of liquidity in this area, which the market normally wants to collect, and there's a good chance we get back to that level, and that would be in line with our Elliott wave count, to sort of get all these stops, collect all these stops which are set down there. But looks pretty much as if a lot of long positions have been set there with stop losses somewhere between below $20. So typically you would expect the market to get back to that level, take them out, right? And then maybe drop further or at least see another reaction. But yeah, that's normally how it works. But the idea is that we are still heading down lower. We're making lower lows, we're making lower highs. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, that disappeared. I don't know why the subwaves disappeared. Didn't press any button. Okay, let's just add them again. And then we can look into the lower degree price action as well. Yeah, so it would be that. And if I now make that a bit larger, so here you can see, yeah, it's a bit hard to say now. So the idea is that this was a wave 4 top, a nice 3-wave move yesterday at 2133. Question is now, and that's a bit uncertain because yesterday we had quite a bit of distortion in the chart, yeah, due to CPI data. Yeah, and if we look into the subwave structure, it's a bit unclear. As I said, we had a few distortions yesterday. This could maybe be a 1-2 setup off the wave 5 already, yeah. Or maybe if this is an ending diagonal, which to be honest it could be, then this might have been a wave down, a B wave up, and we're following through in a C wave off wave 5. Anyway, don't really want to get into too much detail because these lower degree wave counts, they shift quite a lot. What is important, I think the wave 3 is not yet finished here. Circle 3 might change my view throughout the day, but I don't think it's finished. If it's finished, it would have been finished here with that long wick to the downside, and then we would now be in a 4th wave, okay? So if we break above that wave 4 high at 2130 pretty much, it's probably circle wave 3. That would be my first view, but the projection would still be for at least one more low here. But I don't see clear evidence that the wave 3 is already done. We'll see how it develops, but overall, again, trend is still down against the levels indicated. And the overall bullish scenario is still active as long as we're holding 1778. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.